हाँ पंखा लौटा दे। तारो देखे बिही देखी आओ। अरे वाह महुआ फल देखी जी कुसुमार बढ़िया आओ।
पहले बच्चा जो है विद्यालय को जेल समझता था और कब छुट्टी होगी घंटी बजे तो जेल की तरह जैसे छूटते इस तरह छूटते थे। जब से रोचक प्रणाली अपनाई गई तब से बच्चा विद्यालय से जाना ही नहीं चाहता, अधिक से अधिक ठहराव की कोशिश करता है।
पापा वहाँ तो नया तरीका से पढ़ाई होता है, तो पापा उसको कहे कि ना 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 तुम वहीं पढ़ो सर प्राइवेट, तो ना हम उसी विद्यालय में पढ़ेंगे। मैंने बच्चे ने जिद की अपने पिताजी से और अंततः पिताजी भी आए और उन्होंने भी देखा मेरा प्रोसेस को और अंत में बच्चे के हित में वे डिसीजन लिए और बच्चों के यहाँ नाम लिखवाए।
The monthly cycle of learning has two important components: teacher collective, where the planning is done; learning space, where it is executed. Both these elements feed into each other in a dynamic loop. This makes the learning process robust and effective. The Teachers Collective is a monthly process where teachers from a cluster of 15 to 20 schools collaboratively engage in the planning, sharing, and reflecting on curricular learning experiences for their students. In the collective meeting, the teachers understand how their students learn, develop their capacities to facilitate, share their experiences and challenges, address specific learning issues. Now we'll see the Teacher Collective in action at Majorganj, Uttar Pradesh.
अच्छा मेरे साथ में एक चीज़ प्रॉब्लम हुई है, सर भी साथ में देखे थे कि बच्चों को हासिल के जोड़ करने में प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, उन्हें वो जो कैरी फॉरवर्ड लेना पड़ता है उस चीज़ में प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं। तो इस चीज़ के प्रॉब्लम में किसको क्या लगता है किस तरीके से करना चाहिए बच्चों के साथ में?
मैम अभी हासिल वाले मतलब बेसिकली ऐसे नहीं गए हैं कि ये हासिल वाला ही है। जैसे कल हम लोग एक काम कर रहे थे कि फूलों वाले पौधे कितने हैं, फल वाले पौधे कितने हैं, तो फूलों वाले 17 पौधे हैं, फल वाले 6 पौधे हैं। अब एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो अगर हम मैथ्स वाले मेथड में लिखेंगे 17 + 6 तो वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा, लेकिन हमने कहा 17 और 6 को आपको जोड़ना है। अब वो कैसे भी जोड़ते हैं, फिंगर से जोड़ते हैं, लाइन ड्रॉ करके करते हैं, कंकर से करते हैं। उन्होंने जोड़ लिया, उनको आ गया। अगर हम ये बोलेंगे ये कैरी फॉरवर्ड वाला है तब शायद उनको प्रॉब्लम होगी कि 7 और 6 13 होता है, 13 का इकाई का अंक 3 लिखो, एक दहाई को हासिल दो, वो उनको लंबा लगता है। ऐसे करते हैं तो उनको आ भी जाता है। फिर अगर हम उनको बताएं कि यही हासिल वाला है तो शायद वो ईजी हो जाएगा।
Evolve responsive learning plans, develop and network learning resources. Let's listen to the former Block Resource Coordinator Om Narayan Sharma from Chhattisgarh talking about the benefit of teacher collectives.
प्रशिक्षण होता था पहले, आदमी 10 से 5 टाइम कैसे बीते ये सिस्टम रहता था। इसमें अभी इस कोर्स के आने से चर्चा करना शुरू हुआ है। देखिए खुद से टीचर उसको अपना समझ के और उस पर चर्चा कर रहा है, तो ये बड़ी बात है।
At the monthly collective, teachers work on a learning plan which includes the concept map, learning outcomes, learning space, activities planning, and the nature of whole group, learner group, individual practice time sessions that aligns with the learning space activities. A concept is identified from a concept list drawn by teachers from the syllabus for classes 1 to 5 at the beginning of the year, and depending on the relevance of it in a month, the teachers choose a concept. While discussing the concept, teachers evolve a concept map which describes scope of the concept, the why, where, and how of a concept, and also outline the learning outcomes for the month. For example, during the initial months, familiar topics like commonly used things can be chosen as the concept. Students come with prior experience of things they use in their everyday life, which helps in their active engagement. Learning outcomes identify what the learner will know and be able to do by the end of primary schooling as defined by the national and state framework. Activities are then identified that can help in achieving the learning outcomes. These are conducted in different learning environments like whole group, learner groups, and individual practice time. Appropriate learning resources to suit different types of learners are either developed by teachers or identified within the local community. Children are introduced to a concept to enable them to share their understanding based on what they know. Large mixed ability group from classes 1 to 3 or classes 4 and 5. The children facilitated by the teacher discuss, seek information, question, and develop a collective understanding of the concept. Now we will see this in action at Government Primary School, Mishra Bhiga, Bihar.
पत्ता तोड़ते हैं। अच्छा, उस पत्ते का क्या बनता है? चटनी। तरकारी में भी डालते हैं। अच्छा, उसके बाद चाय में भी। अच्छा।
Learner groups are organized as smaller mixed ability groups where the teacher enables students to explore a concept further. The teacher facilitates students towards building on each other's ideas to understand the concept, work as a team to arrive at an understanding, and engage with each other to complete a group task. Now we will see this in action at Government Primary School, Karalanahalli, Karnataka.
ಮಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ
ಶೌಚಾಲಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಶೌಚಾಲಯ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Teacher enables the child to document his or her understanding. This is a consolidation of the entire day's process. The children either work individually or in groups according to their learning levels to engage with a task which is specific to his or her learning needs. Each child's work is observed by the teacher and feedback is provided. Now, we will see this in action at Government Primary School, Vijaymal, Chhattisgarh.
बहुत अकन रुक रही लगे है ना हमारे स्कूल में, वुमन के नाम लिख के लाना है और या फिर देख के आना है, मोला बताना है। का रुक देखे? हाँ, जोर से बोल। बिही आऊ देखो भाई, ये तो पपीता करो देखे है। आओ केला देखे, बढ़िया। आओ देखे आप। हाँ, बढ़िया, ताली बजाओ भाई निर्मला पर। आ जाओ फटाफट फटाफट जाओ।
The whole group, learner group, and individual practice time sessions content are determined on the basis of the nature of the learning outcome. teachers facilitate the concept across the three learning environments of whole group, learner group, and individual practice time with the help of activities identified in the teacher collective. Multiple sessions enable development of multiple abilities in children. Now we'll see this in action at Government Primary School, Akhoria, उत्तर प्रदेश।
हमने एक टॉपिक उठाया, उसमें हमारे बच्चों ने इंग्लिश भी सीखा, हिंदी भी सीखा, मैथ्स भी सीखा। दैट इज़ वंडरफुल। आई वुड से दैट इज़ यूनिक।
कितने फल वाले पौधे मिले? कितने दवा वाले पौधे मिले?
The development and progress of multiple abilities in children are captured by the documentation tools like the teacher's observation book, the ongoing portfolios of individual learners, and the group work file. The observation book have aspects related to process skills that need the teacher to make her own observation notes of the child during the classroom process. The portfolio has students' worksheets, notes, projects demonstrating their understanding of concepts and abilities. It is an important feedback tool that documents learner movements towards the learning outcomes. The formative nature of the tool supports the child in developing his or her abilities during the learning process. Let's listen to the Commissioner Srimati Sridevi at Hyderabad talking about the benefit of portfolio.
And then when I had seen the children and asked them to look through the profile, they were able to explain how they have improved and saying that I was little weaker in this aspect and I am able to do it now. So this is very startling.
The assessment process is about creating a system that values learners' natural ways of perceiving and relating to the world around them and provides ongoing feedback to build their abilities. It is unique as it views a learner in a comprehensive manner across a range of abilities and provides real-time feedback through a formative assessment process. Let's listen to teacher Srimati Kavita and the Mandal Education Officer Mr. Naresh from Telangana talking about the benefit of formative assessment process.
వాళ్ళే చెప్తారు సార్, నేను ఈడ తలకట్టి ఇయ్యలేదు టీచర్, నాకు ఒకటే స్టార్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ నేను చెప్పే అవసరం లేదు సార్, వాడే చెప్తాడు నాకు.
ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ రిఫార్మ్స్ ప్రకారము మనకు అసెస్మెంట్ అన్నది నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎండ్, అంటే క్లాస్ రూమ్లో రెగ్యులర్గా ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ని పిల్లవానికి మనం నేర్పించేటప్పుడే అసెస్మెంట్ జరగాలి. అక్కడ ఏవైతే మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటాయో దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ స్కోప్ టు కరెక్ట్ దెమ్.
Now we will see this in action at the Government Primary School, Gargaon, Uttarakhand.
ये अच्छा लग रहा है या आपका वाला लिखा अच्छा लगा, ये बताओ. ये क्योंकि इसमें क्या हुआ आपका बराबर, हम जब कहते हैं ना हम ब्लैक बोर्ड में लिख के देते हैं तो उसमें से भी उतार, तो हम भी तो ऐसे नहीं लिखते ना, दूर 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 नहीं लिखते ना, मिला मिला के. कोई नहीं, अच्छा लिखा है, शाबाश, अच्छा लिखा है.
The progress card tracks the movement of the learner across a range of abilities. It profiles each ability of the learner under 4 categories: evolving, interested, involved, and self-directed, based on the information from the teacher's observation book, learner's portfolio, and the group work file.
సో క్లాస్ రూమ్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్లో ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉందో సిసిఈ లేకపోతే ఎన్సిఎఫ్ ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉందో దాన్ని రైట్ వేగా అచీవ్ కావడానికి ఈ QLI అన్నటువంటిది తోడ్పడతా ఉన్నది.
It brought a world of a change to how teaching should be looked at and what learning should be looked at. Learning per se is not about trying to read a line from the book, but trying to understand and know things what you learn. So basically here it is a win-win for both the teacher and the student.
हर बच्चे की अलग अलग क्षमताएं होती हैं. इनके साथ में जब हम लोग इंटरेक्शन करते हैं, बातचीत करते हैं, तो वो तुरंत से हमें जवाब नहीं देते, लेकिन इनका अपना तरीका होता है खुद को रिप्रेजेंट करने का.
मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों के अंदर एक अच्छा रिस्पांस रहता है सबके लिए, हमारे लिए, बच्चों के लिए, कि बच्चे अच्छे से इंटरेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ में. प्लस ये चीज़ रहती है कि अब लर्निंग होती है.
और हर एरिया से यहाँ सोचिए कि 3 से 4 किलोमीटर तक के यहाँ तक पढ़ने, स्कूल अपना छोड़ के एरिया से भी आ जाता है. सब प्राइवेट छोड़ के यहाँ सरकारी में आ रहा है.
విద్య బాగా ముఖ్యం. ఎందుకంటే బట్టలు కొందరికి ఉండవు సార్, బూట్లు కొందరికి ఉండవు. విద్య మాత్రం నువ్వు ఎంత ಬೀದತನೈనా ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಬಾగా.
ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಧುನಿಕತೆ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ತಾವೇ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆನ ಇಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಉಪಯೋಗಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಲಭಿಸಿದೆ.
गार्जियन को जो है यह बन गया है कि हॉस्पिटल की दवाइयाँ, सरकारी स्कूल की पढ़ाइयाँ नहीं फ़ायदा करती है. इसको हम बिल्कुल निराधार मानते हैं, क्योंकि इसका प्रमाण है कि मेरे पास 5-6 बच्चे आ चुके हैं.